Hi everyone, it's Erin. Welcome back to another dance tutorial. Today I am going to be doing Weki Meki's Dazzle. I saw that there were a lot of requests for Luna's So What, but I did a quick YouTube search and there's already a lot of very detailed dance tutorials for that one with explanations. So I thought I'll use my time to do Dazzle because there hasn't been one out there yet. Dazzle itself features a really lively and happy dance, and the moves themselves aren't too hard either. They're not too fast. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, starting off, there are two parts to the chorus, so I'm gonna start with the first part. Okay, so for 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 5, your hands are gonna be here, and then you're gonna flick your fingers out like this. So your right hand on top, and then your left hand below your chin, so like that. And the girls are just walking into formations as they do this. So do this, and at the same time, you can kind of just a little bit lean your head to the right side a little bit, okay? So 5, and then 6, your hands are gonna kind of rotate this way so that they're beside your ears. 6, and then for 7, 8, you're just gonna jump like this. So you're gonna spread out your legs and your hands are gonna be on your waist. So together it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next 8 beats look like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your feet are already open. You're gonna do this. So your left leg is going to be lifted and both of your hands are going to be beside you like this. You're facing to the left side and they're going to raise like this, and your butt is going to go to the back. Okay, so you're going to do this, and then for 1, you're going to move everything to the opposite direction. Ready? Go. So it looks like that. Okay, see how it's like this? So you basically do this for the first 2 beats. So let's try that again. 1, 2. Okay, at the same time, you can also move your head just a little bit. So you can do down, down. So together it looks like 1, 2. Okay, and then for 2 and you're gonna do this. So you're gonna shift your weight to your left leg, and then you're gonna kind of lift your right leg up a little bit, and your arms are gonna go into this position. So your left one is gonna be beside your ear, and your right one is gonna be out like this. Okay, so it looks like 1, 2, and then for 3, you're just gonna come down, and then for 3 and you're gonna come to the front like this. So you're gonna kind of like, you're not really stepping with your left leg, but you're gonna like bend your knee and then like pop up. And as you pop up, your right leg is gonna come up like this, and your hands are gonna cross in front of you like this, and your hands are in fists, okay? And then after that, for 4, you're just gonna come down, and then you're gonna prepare for the other side. So the first 4 beats look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you just do the exact same thing but on the right side. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do a recap of those 8 beats. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next 8 beats are gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to be here, and your left leg is going to be in front of your right leg, and you're going to put your left hand down, and then right hand down, and then right hand up, and left hand up, and left hand down, right hand down. Okay, so that's 3 beats. And as you do that, you're going to move your waist as well. So for the first beat, your waist is going to be focused on your left side, so you're going to be here this way, so you're popping your butt out to the left side, and then for a second beat, you're gonna pop your butt out to the right side. For the third beat, you're gonna pop your butt out to the left side again. Okay, so together it looks like 1, 2, 3. So after that, your hands are gonna come this way, and your leg is gonna come up like this because you're gonna get ready to do this move. Okay, so together it looks like 4, and then for 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna do 5. So your hands are like this, just like at the very beginning. And by this time, for your right leg, which is in the air, you're gonna kick your foot to the left, okay? So you do 5, and then 6, and then 7. So you're basically rotating this way, right? And then for 8, they're gonna move formation, and you basically do the same thing again with your arm. But this time, to connect to the next move, your right hand is gonna be up and your left hand is gonna be down here, okay? So let's review those 8 beats. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then afterwards, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, this is what the person at the very front does. So you're gonna have your hand here, so you're touching your left ear, right? And your left hand is down here, and your butt is gonna be on the left side, so your weight is on your left leg. And so you do 1 and, so you're gonna touch here and then top of your head, and then you're gonna touch the shoulder here. As you do that, for this second beat, you're gonna shift your weight to the right side. So together it looks like 1, 2. And then you're going to do 3. So this is your left hand is gonna come here and your right hand is gonna be straight down here, and you're gonna kick your right leg up. Okay, so 3, and then other side, 4, and then you're going to do 5. So you're standing straight, your right hand is gonna come here and by your head like this, and your left hand is gonna be down. You're gonna turn your head this way, okay? So 5, and then for 6, you're just gonna turn your body to the left, and then for 7, push your left hand out to the right, and then for 8, do this. So your right hand is gonna come circle around your head like this, and you're gonna sit on your left side, and your weight is gonna be on your left leg. Okay, so let's do those 8 beats together. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then afterwards, you're gonna stay here for 1, and then you do 2, then you do 3, 4, and then you do 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you walk into formation. Okay, so you're here. So as I said, stay here for 1. Then for 2, you're gonna move your weight to the right side. At the same time, your hands are gonna flip up like this, just like the move before. So 1, 2, and then you're gonna do the same thing where you do left, right, and then right, left. And as you do that, you wanna shift your butt to the left side. So together it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna just touch your hands like this while they're in fists, and then lift your leg up. This, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you just walk into position. Then after, most of the members turn back, but one member does the dazzle, dazzle, dazzle me. So you basically do dazzle. So you turn your hand and then pull in. So, and this is when you're on your right side. And then you go to the left side. Both hands turn and then pull in. This is the second dazzle. And then she steps her right leg out to the front, and her hands are up like this. And then you do 2 butt. 3, 4. Okay. So together it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is it for the first part of the chorus. Let's move on to the second part. So after you're here, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one looks a little bit complicated. Basically, you're gonna jump up and then down like this. So when you land down, your weight is neutral and your hands are gonna be in fists in front of you, beside your chest like this. You're just gonna look straight. So this is 1. And then for 2, you're gonna do this. So your hands are gonna shift to the left and then shift back, and your left leg is gonna come up and then down. You're gonna look to the right and then look back, okay? So 2, it looks like this, okay? And then for 2 and, you're going to extend your hands out like this, and they're gonna go to the left, and your left leg is gonna be out like this. This is and then you're going to step down with your left leg, and your right hand is gonna move this way. So this is 3. And then you're gonna step with your right leg, and your right hand is gonna move here. And then you step down with your left leg, and your right hand is gonna move here. So this is 4, okay? So those 4 beats look like 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then for 5, you're still gonna be here. You're then, for your arms, you're gonna go this way. So you're here, right? Your left arm is just gonna come here beside you like this. Your right arm is gonna go up, but at the same time, your wrist is gonna snap like this. So you're here, it's gonna go up like this, okay? So you're basically doing like this, and at the same time, you're going to move the left heel forward like this, and you're going to kick your right leg back. Together, it looks like this. And at the same time, you have to tilt your head to the left, okay? So let's start with the first beat, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that you're here, for 6 and 7, you're gonna do this. So basically, your left leg, your heel is gonna go out and then in. And as you do that, your right leg is gonna kick down like this, okay? So like this, okay? It's actually harder to do when it's slower. Your left hand is not gonna move. After your right hand is here, you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna clap like this, okay? So let's start with, so this is 5, and then you do 6, and then 7, okay? And then for 8, you're gonna jump down like this. So you're gonna face left completely, and you're gonna bend your back, pop your butt out, and your hands are gonna go like this in front of you, and you're gonna look to the front, okay? So let's review those 8 beats. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Now the next 8 beats look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is pretty easy. You're just jumping and moving to the back, so, right? And then at the same time, you're also moving your butt up like this, okay? So looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you do that, your hands are fists in front of you. They're just gonna come up like this. So starting with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to do the same dazzle move. This time you're just gonna walk. So 5, 6, 7. And for 8, you're gonna come to the front like this. So you're gonna bend your back. So it looks like this on the side. Bend your back, bend your knees, lean forward, and your hands come to the front like this. Then after that, you pretty much just repeat those 16 beats with a bit of change at the very end, okay? So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time you're just gonna do this, okay? So instead of walking, you're going to lift up your right leg, just like the move previously. You're gonna kick your right heel in. You're going to do 5, 6, 7, and then your leg is gonna come forward as you lean forward like this, okay? So let's review the last 8 beats starting from here. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it for this dance tutorial. A lot of the moves were super repetitive, so I know you'll be able to learn it really easily. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, let me know in the comments what other tutorials that you would like to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye!